Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey.
Hi, welcome to the Alpha Gamma Delta Chapter House at the University of Michigan. We affectionately call our home the AGD Dream House. Our home was originally two houses that were combined in the 1960s. The original house was built in 1894, and we've been on this campus since 1922. This is our foyer, and it leads into the sitting room and the circle table room.
Hey, welcome to the circle table room. This is my favorite place in the house to kind of just chill and debrief with the girls after a long day, maybe do some homework and meet with some other people on campus. And now I think we're gonna check out the fireplace room, which is gorgeous as well. It walks out to our lovely front porch, which has a beautiful view of Ann Arbor, as well as our back porch, which a lot of girls will do homework at or just hang in general, and it's a blast.
Welcome to the TV room. This is probably our favorite room in the house. Here we like to watch our favorite shows like The Bachelor, and it's the best place to be on game days because we all gather here and cheer on our team.
This is our dining room where we sit and have all of our meals and love to spend time with our sisters. We have two amazing chefs who cook us lunch and dinner during the week, and we have chapter brunch every Sunday. We serve a buffet-style breakfast, which includes yogurt, fruit, bagels, toast, and cereal. Next, we will be moving upstairs.
The house holds 65 women, and we have a 1-year live-in requirement. Our rooms range from singles, doubles, triples, and quads, and we even have a penthouse upstairs that holds up to 6 girls. Now let's go check out some of the rooms. Meet Regan, one of my sisters that lives in room 16. She'll tell you all about why she loves living in the house.
Hi, welcome to our room. My favorite part about living in the house is impromptu movie nights with my sisters and hype game day wake-ups.
Welcome to our second floor bathroom. We love to blast music in here with our sisters while we're getting ready, and the lighting in here makes for great pictures.
Hi, welcome to the basement. This is where we have our chapter room, laundry room, study room, and craft room. This is the craft room. This is where we like to make posters for AGDIA and other philanthropy events. We also like to make our big little baskets and other crafts down here as well.
It's okay, it's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed.
Thank you so much for joining us on the house tour of Alpha Gamma Delta.
On my Sunday best.
Oh wait, I forgot what I was supposed to say. Okay. Hi, welcome to the, shoot. I almost said welcome to the laundry room. Okay, all right.
This is our dining room where we sit and have all of our meals with all of our sisters and just spend time together. Our cooks, no, it's okay.
Welcome to the TV room. Here is the, no.
Welcome to our second floor bathroom. We love to blast music in here with our sisters while we're getting ready. And why did I say it like that? Like, getting ready.
Hi, welcome to my room. My favorite part about living in the house is hype from impromptu movie nights to hype game day wake-ups. There's nowhere else I can imagine myself living.
Hey, welcome to the circle table room. This is the best day. This is a circle table room. My favorite place to just hang out, study with the gisters, debrief about the day, and even meet with some people from